Hello and welcome to Grade 8, Chapter 4 Chemistry Metals and Nonmetals. Today we are going to go through some of the questions which we come across in metals and nonmetals. Why nonmetals cannot be drawn into wires? Nonmetals are non ductile, therefore, they cannot be drawn into wires. How can you complete this equation when zinc reacts with the hydrochloric acid? What are the products do you get? When zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride and hydrogen is liberated. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Zinc, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen? Definitely, the only metal in this is zinc. So, zinc is the only metal that can be beaten into thin sheet among these four. The number of metals is much dash than non-metals. So, the number of metals in our periodic table, the number of elements discovered, among those elements, the metals are more in number compared to non-metals. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, as we already know. Examples of some metals are iron, sodium, nickel, etc. Not only these three, when asked examples, we can write different metals, whatever you know, other than iron, sodium, nickel. Some examples of non-metals are sulfur, chlorine, and oxygen. There are other non-metals which you can write. Example like carbon, chlorine, carbon, nitrogen, etc. Explain the term metallurgy. Metallurgy is the science of extracting metals from their ores and purifying them for various uses. State general steps involved in metallurgy of a metal. The general steps of metallurgy are: first, when they get the ore, they concentrate the ore. The second process is reduction of metal compound, and finally they will purify or refine metal. Metals are softer or harder than non-metals? The answer is harder. Most non-metals are bad or good conductors of heat? Definitely non-metals are bad conductors of heat. The property that the metals to be hammered into thin sheets is called, definitely it is malleability. Melting point of most non-metals is definitely higher than metals. Sorry, metals of a melting point of non-metals is definitely lower. For metals it is higher, for non-metals it is lower. Metals display luster, luster meaning shining. Can we arrange the following metals in the order of their decreasing chemical activity? For magnesium, potassium, iron and gold. As gold is the least reacting metal, potassium is the highest reacting metal. Next comes magnesium, iron and gold. Can copper displace iron from iron sulfate solution? Copper cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution, iron sulfate, because copper is less reactive than iron. Among platinum and iron, which is the member of the family of noble metals? Platinum is the member of a family of noble metals. Pure gold is how many carats? Pure gold is 24 carats. Our jewelry, gold is 22 carat. International standard of weights are made of gold or silver or platinum or iridium alloy. It is international standard of weight is made of a platinum and iridium combination. Gold dissolves in aqua regia or aqueous solution of silver nitrate. Gold dissolves in aqua regia. Aqua regia is a powerful acid which is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid in the ratio of 2:1. Silver tarnishes due to nitrogen oxide or hydrogen sulfide in the air. Definitely silver tarnishes due to hydrogen sulfide, meaning it gets rust or black color on the surface of the silver due to hydrogen sulfide. Why is aluminum used in making airplanes? Aluminum is used in making airplanes as it is light and high resistance to corrosion when exposed to air, which aircrafts demand the most. What type of oxides are formed by metals? Metals form basic oxides. I repeat, metals form basic oxides. What type of oxides are formed by non-metals? Non-metals form acidic or neutral oxides. I repeat, generally non-metals form acidic oxides. How does phosphorus occur in nature? Phosphorus occurs in nature in the combined state as it is having strong affinity of oxygen. Give the different forms of silica in nature. Silica occurs sand in the form of ordinary sand, flint, quartz and opal. These are type of rocks. Which metal foil is used in packing of some medicine tablets? Aluminum foil. Name the soft metal which can be cut with a knife. Both sodium and potassium can be cut with a knife. Name the non-metal used in vulcanization of rubber. Sulfur. Sulfur is the non-metal which is used in vulcanization of rubber. Name one metal which is not malleable. Zinc or arsenic. These two are not malleable like other metals. Name one non-metal which has luster. Non-metals like graphite and iodine have luster like metals. Both graphite and iodine are non-metals which have shine. What would happen to iron railings if they are not painted? They get rusted. Name the element commonly used for converting edible vegetable oils into vanaspati ghee or dalda. So hydrogen is used in solidification of oils, that is solidification of edible oils. Name the element used for making containers of dry cells, what we use in our clocks, toys, etc. So those cells are made of zinc. Which metal is used for making radiators of cars? Copper. Copper is used for making radiators of cars. Name the metal whose salt is used for making photographic films. Silver salts are used for making photographic films. Noble gases are found in free state or compound form? They are found in free state. Non-metals are generally brittle. Potassium after combustion meaning burning, will form basic oxide because potassium is a metal. Iodine has antiseptic properties, so that's why we use it in medical kits also. German silver has copper as a main or major constituent. Why silver is used in making mirrors? Silver has the ability to reflect light, therefore it is used for making mirrors. Why aluminum is used to make electrical wire? Aluminum is a good conductor of electricity, so it is used for making electrical wires. More than aluminum, silver is the best conductor of electricity, but as silver is very expensive, we take aluminum into consideration. Why iron is used in construction of bridges and houses? Iron is a strong metal, therefore it is mixed with concrete to make bridges and houses. Why graphite is used as an electrode in dry cell? Graphite is a good conductor of electricity and which is a non-metal, therefore it is used as electrode in dry cell. Why iron sheets are galvanized before use? Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, therefore it is used as an electrode in dry cell. Iron sheets are galvanized before use, so they do not corrode. Let us go through some of the multi-choice questions which are related to metals and non-metals. Which of the following properties is generally not shown by metals? So dullness, they have sonority, so this is the only option which metals do not possess. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. The ability of metals to be drawn into wires is known as ductivity or ductivity. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is oxygen. Galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating with a thin layer of zinc. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust, as I have already told, metal. The most abundant metal in the Earth's crust is iron. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture. When it is mixed, it looks similar as one type of metal. That's why an alloy is a mixture of metals. So when they mix the metals, it looks like a homogeneous mixture. Homo meaning single. In extraction of copper, the flux used is silicon dioxide. Alloys are homogeneous mixture of a metal with a metal or non-metal. Which among the following alloys contain non-metal as one of its constituents? Steel. Which of the following is purest form of carbon? Fullerenes. Buckminster fullerenes is the purest form of carbon. Which among the following alloys contain mercury as one of its constituents? Zinc amalgam. Which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? Applying a coating of zinc. Generally, non-metals are non-conductors of electricity. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Graphite is a good conductor of electricity among the non-metals. Food cans can be coated with tin and not with zinc because zinc is costlier than tin. Electrical wires have a coating of an insulating material. The material generally used is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Which of the following is a non-metal and is a liquid? Among the following, sulfur, phosphorus, carbon and bromine. Bromine is a non-metal which is in liquid state at room temperature. So, with this, we conclude the question answers for today. Thank you.